There are more than 350 different existing species of parrot. Most parrots eat fruits, flowers, buds, nuts, seeds, and insects. Some parrot species are highly endangered. Pigeons are our most common urban bird. On average, a pigeon has 10,000 feathers on the body. Pigeons can survive more than 30 years in the wild. Crows are generally smaller and not as thick-billed as ravens, which belong to the same genus. Crows will make off with shreds of roadkill and store tidbits in trees, catching the meat like leopard does for later consumption. Sometimes they bury seeds or store them in crevices in bark. The peacock has been the national bird of India since 1963. Peacocks are omnivorous and eat both plants and animals. Also, they will eat insects, arthropods, amphibians, and flowers. Thank you for watching.